Hi, I'm TA Bullplay, your trading buddy. So welcome to our 17th episode of our Bullplay daily review. And as usual, we'll be discussing two counters in this video. Yeah, around a 10 minutes video. And the counters for today is HH Group and also SAMCHEM. Alright. So for those who are watching my video for the first time, in this video, we'll be focusing on the chart technical analysis, the TA, because we believe the chart is the best insider. Okay, if you know how to read the chart, it will tell you a lot of story hidden behind the chart. Alright, so and if you haven't watched our previous analysis on Kosan Rubber and also VS Industry, feel free to click into our channel later to watch our last episode video. Alright, and for those who haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe right now so that you won't miss our next video analysis. Alright. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the content for today. So the first chart that I'm going to show you is the chart of US Dow Jones Index. All right. So the time for now is around 11, yeah, around 11:30 in the New York time. So um, you can see that it's trading currently, and yesterday, the US market has performed. If in fact, in last few days, the US market has performed a strong rebound. Yeah, and yesterday it even break the important resistance that I draw earlier. Yeah, as you can see the box over here. So currently there's some pullback. Yeah, some small pullback when it has been up for 2 days, and so far I can see the momentum. The bullish momentum is still there. Yeah, because as I mentioned in last video, as long as the index can sustain above this resistance, yeah, then the rebound performance should be able to continue. All right, and if the index able to being supported above this resistance for at least 2 to 3 days, then it will has the good potential to actually go back to the previous highest level. Yeah, because as you can see, if the share price as can be sustained above the resistance for the above the support for the few days, then you can see that moving average is also already very near to perform a golden cross. Yeah, which means they consider as a trend turnaround of a trend. Yeah, from a downtrend back to an uptrend formation. Okay, so there's something that you need to monitor for the US market, and so far I see the momentum of the overall US market is still quite positive and bullish. Yeah, so there's nothing much to worry for now. So this is a simple this is a simple analysis for Dow Jones Index, and next we'll take a look at the technology sector. Yeah, look at the index of Nasdaq. Okay, yeah, it's currently not open yet so far, but then you can see that the whole formation of Nasdaq is still good. Yeah, it's still good because it's quite near to the previous high already. Yeah, previous high is around 16776. All right, so far it's being supported well on the MA50. So nothing much we can see over here. As long as the index is supported above the moving average, then it will still continue the bullish momentum and the trend. Okay, so this is my simple analysis on the US market. All right, next let's move into our Malaysia market for today. Yeah, okay, so first we look at the chart of KLCI index. Yeah, so last 2 days the index has touched support and make a rebound, and today on a Wednesday the index actually having some selling pressure. Yeah, when it touched the resistance of 1005, which is also the psychological resistance. So have a small pullback and selling pressure over here. So what I see is, as it might take some time for actually the index to making a stronger rebound. Yeah, which is to break the moving average. Maybe they will consolidate a few days within the range of 1483 and 1005. Yeah, so this should be the near term support and resistance that you can monitor. Yeah, around this level. So as long as the share price, it's either break support or break the resistance, then it will be considered as an indicator of the choosing of directions. Yeah. So which means that if it breaks the support of 1483, then it will tend to go lower to find another support. And if it able to break the psychological resistance of 1005, then it will probably retest the previous resistance over here around 1519. Yeah, then maybe we can see a stronger rebound, and even there's a chance of trend reversal. Okay, so before all that to happen, firstly 1500, yeah, the psychological resistance is the one that need to be challenged right now. Okay, so this is a performance of our KLCI index, but then if we see in overall performance of other stocks, it's still in a weak momentum, I would say. Yeah, just some particular stock that can perform a few bits of gaining, and majority is still still on a weak momentum, because I can see that retailers are actually being hurt badly for the last round, for 1 or 2 weeks, from 1 to 2 weeks of the panic selling. Yeah, so I believe some people are still trapped at high. Yeah, because if you see mostly the chart of the counter right now, mostly are in downtrend formation. Yeah, it's actually breaks broken the important support, and all is heading downwards. Yeah, so if you're trading right now, you need to be extra cautious. Yeah, because if you can see the share price is actually being up in 1 or 2 days, it could be just a technical rebound. Okay, it could be just a technical rebound where it will turn around or U-turn anytime. Okay, so make sure you're able to monitor your holdings if you are trading right now. Okay, so firstly, after we're looking at the index of KLCI, we let me show you the first chart of the first counter for this video. Yeah, the first counter that I'm going to show you is HH Group. Okay, so this is one of the formations of the counters that is having a good momentum and a good formation so far. Yeah, if you see from a bigger picture, yeah, if you see from a bigger picture, you can actually see the so-called cup and handle formation. Yeah, over here, being doing a cup and a handle. Okay, so it's pretty nice, I would say, in the overall bigger picture. But then if you make a zoom in over here, yeah, it's not bad either. Yeah, especially the today's closing. Yeah, you can see that the closing, it closed as right on 78 cents. Yeah, which is just slightly above the resistance of 77 and 5. All right, so for scenario like this, right, previously on last few days, 775 is the major resistance. Yeah, it's the resistance level. But then like today, it closed above the resistance, then the resistance will turn into the support. All right, it will turn into the support. So in order for the share price to continue to go up, yeah, and even challenge the resistance of 90 cents, it will need to stay above 775. All right, it will need to break and stay sustain above 775. Then only it will have chance to challenge the price of 90 cents. Okay, so if I purely looking on the formation of the chart, I would say in overall the chart formation is quite nice. All right, but then as it's for today, it's not a good entry for you to enter. All right, because it just doing a small breakout over here. Then whether will it pull back to do some corrections, then it might happen. So no one can answer on that. So if you are thinking to join this formation or this bullish rally, make sure you enter at a point with acceptable risk for you, yeah, which is an entry that is nearer to the support. Okay, so in case there's anything happen or any changes on the sentiment of the market, you won't be get trapped easily. All right, so this is my analysis on the chart of Hankwright Resources HH Group. Okay, so the support and the resistance is drawn as both of this, yeah, as you can see on the picture. Okay, so this is the chart for HH Group. Okay, so right, let's move into the second counter for today, which is SamChem Holdings. Yeah, one of our chemical distributor. Okay. Alright, first we see from the bigger picture. From the bigger picture, you can see that it's a pretty simple and direct. Alright. Since June of 2021, a turnaround of the trend reversal over here, being on the downtrend and hit the lowest point of 65, and then trend reversal over here, volume coming in, and then it performed a nicely uptrend, alright, from the price of 72 cents all the way until the price of 1 ringgit and 7 cents, alright, which is the highest point for this recent years. Okay, so then after hit the top of 1 ringgit and 7 cents, it make a turnaround over here. Yeah, the trend has changes from an uptrend all the way to downtrend right now. All right, so I'm sorry if you're holding any of these holdings because you have missed the best exit point. Yeah, in fact, over here you should be, I mean, depends on which strategy you're using. All right, some of the traders, it will set a trailing stop over here, and since this is the first day and the second day already break the support, some might already take partial profit, or yeah, some even take full profit. All right, so but then if you miss on this exit on this day, then here provide another chance for you to exit. Yeah, because after the small retracement over here, then it's supported above the MA50, but then as you can see on this day, yeah, 18 and 17th of November, it actually breaks the support of MA50. Yeah, so this is a sign, quite an obvious sign that telling you that the trend is going to reverse. All right, and that is what is happening right now. Yeah, so from the price of 1 ringgit and 7 cents, been retraced all the way until today, 82 cent and a half. All right, so this is the formation of SAMCHEM. So what I will monitor next is firstly on the downtrend channel, on the downtrend counter, the stock need to find a bottoming first. Yeah, need to find a bottom and wait for the price to steady down. Then only then we can hope for the trend reversal. Okay. So since it's now on a downtrend channel, so any like yesterday and today, yeah, I will treat it as a technical rebound. Yeah, it's definitely not a trend reversal. It will be the technical rebound, and these three lines of moving average would be the resistance for him. All right. So in order to perform a trend reversal, which is for downtrend goes back into the uptrend, then there's two criteria that need to be fulfilled. All right. The first is that the share price need to break and sustain above the moving average, and secondly is the moving average has to perform a golden cross. All right. Then only the criteria to perform a trend reversal is being fulfilled. And so far, none of this being fulfilled right now, so I will treat all this just as the rebound. Okay, so if you're aiming this counter for the any fast trade, make sure you know when to get out. Yeah, especially when it touches the resistance, yeah, of the moving average. All right. Okay, so this is my analysis on the counter of SAMCHEM holdings. All right, so yeah, so these are the two counters that I'm shared with you for today's video. And of course, earlier we have discussed the performance of the KLCI index and also the major indices of US stock market. And I hope you have learned something from this video, especially from the part of technical analysis. Alright, and please comment below if you have any counters that you want us to do the analysis. And if you like our content, yeah, don't forget to actually like and share our video, and please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our next potential stock analysis video. Alright, so lastly, thank you for watching. I'm TA Bullplay, your trading buddy. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.